It's real world experience now. So it's like before it was like I was watching YouTube videos, I was doing the tutorials, it was all of that stuff. And then now it's more of, I'm working for this client. I have to get this in front of this client. So regardless, the work's gonna have to get done. So I was like, okay, cool. How am I gonna make sure that this gets done to the best of my ability? Sometimes you need that level of challenge because I guess when you're in uni, you still have like deadlines, but it's more of, this is my grade rather than I'm trying to get this in front of this person and they're gonna have to see it and they're gonna have to post it, whether it be ads, whether it be YouTube videos, all of that stuff. It's more of, you have to get this done. So it's really challenging, but I feel like the challenge helps you grow and learn. I feel like I've grown the most in my confidence as a video editor. When I started off, there was clients and I was like, oh gosh, I'm gonna be working for clients. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. But then I feel like once it's like a rinse and repeat thing, you get things in front of clients, you get feedback, and it's like, now I know I could deliver on this feedback. I feel like that confidence has grown a lot. So there's a couple things that transfer over to here. There was the editing suite and the Dolby Atmos Studio, and that really it kind of helped me transfer all the things that I've learned from there, all the facilities, all the techniques that other people was also using. And it helped me transfer it over to my own work. And I feel like that was like a massive improvement. But in the future, I'd probably like to progress as much as I can, hopefully aiming for that senior level. But of course, there's a lot more learning I have to do. There's a lot of stuff on my end that I have to improve. Do it, go for it. Because honestly, it's opened the doors to a lot of opportunities and it's given me a lot that I can reflect on.